Hi guys, I just thought I would invite you to a reveal of my new rainbow coin purse from Coach. So as always, beautifully wrapped in its dust cover. Let me show you this. So I bought this in the sale, an accordion card case, and I absolutely adore it. The colours are so gorgeous on this. It really pops. Even in this light, it doesn't show how vivid the colours are. Really expandable, really nice size. It's just really good. So I saw this, it was the last one online. I thought I have to have it. So let me just take the dust cover off. Let me show you this. That's it. Oh, just put that to the side. Oh, it's so nice. Really nice. As always, lots of filling. I'll put that down there. Yep, it's... do I think that's suede inside or some sort of material? But I mean, they're just adorable, aren't they? Really nice size. Got the little charms. I can hang it outside on the bag, or I can just put it inside. Now, absolutely love it. Great find. Something very different.